afternoon to everybody. I am C. Lakshmi Prasanna from 8th class. Today I am going to say about force and pressure in physics. Before learning this topic, force and pressure, learn about energy. Energy, capacity to do the work. Suppose we want to lift a heavy box or we want to lift any boxes. We want the energy. The units of the energy was joules. And next, come to the topic power. Power means work done by time. It means energy by time and joules by second. Joules by second. That is equals to watts. That is about power. And next that come to the topic force. Force means push or pull an object is known as force. Suppose we want to push a table or pulling a table. It is the examples for force. And next come to its units. Force is equals to ma. It means mass and acceleration is equals to units of force is equals to mass and acceleration. And next kg meter per second square is equals to Newton. If two persons are standing here and they are pushing a chair, does not moving, so it is balanced. If it was balanced, then the net force is zero. Forces. When the applied force on an object in the opposite directions are not equal, then the net force is not equal to zero. Then this is said to be as unbalanced forces. Then examples. Examples for unbalanced forces. If she is applying more force and she is applying less force, then the chair was moving in this direction. This is not equal to zero net force. Then this is said to be as unbalanced forces. She is applying more force and she is applying less force. Chair was moving on this direction. Then the net force is not equal to zero. This is the example for unbalanced force.